we're going to show you how to establish an Active Directory. The first thing you got to do is install the correct roles and features. So in your Server Manager dashboard, you're going to go on to Add Roles and Features. You're going to click Next on Before You Begin. Role-based and feature installation. You're going to click past server selection, and now you're going to actually select the roles. The one you want is Active Directory Domain Services, so ADDS. It's going to tell you need to add some features. Just click Add. We're also going to put on DNS server feature one time. Once that's done, you click Next. There are some features there, you're just going to click past that as well. The DNS server, you're going to have to click Next on as well. And now the confirmation. And you're going to click Install. And make sure you have all the correct features before doing that. And now start the installation. This is going to take a little while, and once it's done, you're going to get prompted to restart your computer so that you can actually take advantage of these features. As you can see, the installation is started on the server. Once the feature has been installed and you've restarted, you're going to have to promote the Active Directory to domain controller, and it's going to prompt you to do this.
Alright, so here we have promoting the Active Directory to the domain controller. So you'll see here that we are on the installation progress page, and just hit promote the server to a domain controller, and then they'll bring up the deployment configuration. So what you'll click here next is add a new forest. When you click on this, it will ask you to create the domain name, the root domain name. So you just go in the search box and type in the name of your domain. Here we're going to use card fan club. We're going to add .local. So again, you can use any name you want to, and then after you finish, click next. And here we have the password and confirm password. So just type in a password that's secure and make sure it meets the requirements of the Windows protocol, and confirm the password. And once you're done, you just hit next. And now I'll pass it on to my colleague.
Okay, so after you've confirmed the password and hit next, you're going to land on DNS options. You're going to see option to click create DNS delegation, but you're not going to be able to click it because you wouldn't have created a parent zone previously. So you're going to go ahead and click next. You're going to land on additional options. Okay, and this is where you're going to see the NetBIOS domain name. You can insert any name that you're comfortable with. Okay, so afterwards you're going to land on the paths. You just go ahead and click next. And here you're going to see your options that you would have previously picked. You're just going to review them, make sure everything is in order, and when you're comfortable, you just click next. Okay, so afterwards it's going to do a prerequisite check. You're just going to hold on and wait until that's finished. When it's finished, you're going to see some warnings here. You could go ahead and ignore that. What's important is when you scroll down to the bottom, you would see prerequisite check. All prerequisite checks pass successfully. Go ahead and click install, and you're going to wait until the installation is over. Okay, so as after the installation is finished, you're just gonna click close, and it's gonna give you a warning you're about to be signed out. And close that and go ahead and restart your PC. Okay, so afterwards you're gonna go ahead and log back in. Okay, and that's